Loser sneeze again. Bro, you are, like I said before, the scum of the earth. You are the scum of the earth, bro. When I say scum, I mean scum. You just tried to get that chick, Ashley. You just literally, once again, beg this chick to come back to you. Ain't that right, my love? See, loser. Women don't like a man that begs. It ain't cute. It ain't cute. It ain't tough. It ain't nothing. I'm all right, my love. It is very, very demoralizing to hear a grown man. Well, you're a child, so I would say because you're a child loser. That's what you gotta do to get women's attention. You gotta beg and lie. It is unreal how long you have been begging and begging and begging this chick to come back to you. Right or wrong, my love. And you bashes her to the world, I might add. Not just to some neighbor or a friend. You felt that it is okay to bash a female that you say, oh, I love you, Ashley. I love you, Ashley. To the whole world about she's a drug addict, alcoholic, con artist. Anything else, my love, that he said about her?
Oh, plenty, but I don't have time for all the things he said.
So I'm asking the world, why would any woman, let alone her, want to take you back or want to even be with somebody like you? You are nothing but a slimy of the slimiest dude I have ever heard and seen. You literally talk bad about this woman, and in the same breath say, I love you, Ashley. Don't you love me? Oh, excuse me, Ashley. I gotta finish my statement. Ashley, you're just a whore, drug addict, piece of crap. But Ashley, I love you. I love you. I love you, Ashley. Remember? You said you love me. So, liar, loser, sneeze. See, I have a memory like an elephant. My wife tell me this, and it ain't always good neither to remember everything. But it's good in this point because I recall you being on the phone and for 20 minutes begging her to say I love you back. Now, you're sitting on here trying to convince people that she says she loves you, but she don't want nothing to do with you. Now, loser, do that even make sense? What about you, my love?
None here.
It don't make no sense. You know why it don't make no sense? Because it never was said to you. Nobody loves your trifling, no having money, broke as a joke, can't rub two nickels together in your pocket, flashing $1 bills, crinkle up $1 bills. Who flashes $1 bills? Your money, when you pull it out your pocket, look like a child's money. You know when kids just get they change and they just stuff it in their pocket. They just stuff it in their pocket and money be mixed in with probably a couple $9 change. Let's see, receipt, all crinkled up together. And you have literally the same type. And second, loser, if your little paperweight necklace was so good, so expensive, so this and that, you have that beautiful necklace, as you say, balled up in your pocket. Now, if that's the new way of protecting your jewelry, I don't want no part of it. You got this necklace that all the rappers can't afford, can't have, but you care about it so much, you got it balled up in your nasty looking jeans. And it costs so much money. You pay $250 for it. Idiot. You know this well as we know. You pay to the most $40 for that thing. And that's a rip-off too. Because that thing ain't worth the freaking stand it was on when you walked past and seen it. Bro, you can go back there right now and you will get somebody else will walk up and get the same necklace, because everybody want to know you ain't nothing. You don't know what good jewelry is. You are a loser, bro. A born again loser. And this whole Ashley thing, man, bro, you need to leave her the F alone, bro. You are, bro, leave her alone. She don't want you, man. She is telling you that in every which way. She don't want you. Am I right, my love? Now, that's my baby talking. She's probably sleepy back there. You know, she'll never say it though. She's the best eye closed sleeper I have ever seen in my life. She can always. She's never sleep. Never sleep. She's the warrior of not sleeping. But that's why I love her. I love you. I love you. Like Tyree was doing. Like, Ashley, I love you, Ash. I love you. I would never let nothing happen to you. Only if you say no to me one more time and tell everybody your business and say you're a drug addict, you're a terrible person, and she don't treat you right, even though you're an angel, as you say. You're an angel. I mean, wow. Wow, you laid on thick, bro. Thick. But anyway, man, you need to leave her alone, man. Let that broad be. She don't like you, man. Pretty soon she gonna start hating you. She probably do hate you. Let's be real here, bro. Am I right or wrong? Because you know what? If anybody hear this, please tell that girl Ashley to put him in his place. Because he's on here bashing her. And it ain't cool. Because he's a nobody. He don't deserve to get this platform of putting somebody down. And it just ain't cool. So if anybody know that girl, that young lady, whoever, please tell her to put him in his place. Don't be like him and be on YouTube every day talking about people. So I'll leave you with this. Be a man for a chance. And let the woman go. Be a man and let her live out her life like she wants to, how she chooses. If it's drug, I hope it's not, because that'd be sad. But if it's not drugs and loser sneeze, just making it up, karma's a mother. And I'm not karma. Because you will be dealt with. Loser. You are going to be dealt with. But before I deal with you, be a man. Let her stop talking about her. She don't want you. And it sounds like it, by the sounds of it, she should never want to be with your sorry butt. Piece of crap. I never met somebody such a lowlife than you. You are just one of those people, if somebody else got something better than you, you try to pit that person down as much as you can. And then when you see it might not be working, you go deeper with it. That chick actually don't want nothing to do with you. So what you do, you talk about her. You talk about her. Talk about her. And you talk about her, then you fix your crazy looking teeth to say she's nothing because she's this, she's that because she didn't want you. That's all. Since she don't want you, you talk about her. That's how it is with you. You grimy. You're one of the racist dudes I've ever seen. But you're trying to be a rapper. And I told you, keep using that word, man, that N-word. You could feel nothing but pain, bro. Nothing but pain. I'll tell you that. Pain will be coming to you. But you never felt how open cut filled with lemon juice and salt. It is very painful. I'll tell you that much. That's the only thing I'm going to tell you. It is very painful. And I promise you, you keep on messing around, man, you keep on acting like somebody's a punk, you will get dealt with. Trust me. So what you gonna do, Carter? I'm a thug, but But I got the police on speed dial. You probably got every detective's number and name on your cell phone. Cause you know what, you and your boy Charlie, y'all so tough. Y'all have to call the police. Cause y'all just too tough. Y'all just too tough. But all seriousness, bro, you better stop, man. You better stop, man. You better stop with all this crap you be spilling out of your nasty mouth. All the racist stuff, all the pitting women down, talking trash about people that did nothing to you, but say have a good day, and you trash them when they walk away. Now you tell me, is that being a man, or that just being a coward? The only thing you do good is dig up your nasty nose. And that's another thing, bro. Stop digging up your nose and wiping it on everything. You think somebody want to come sit at the table after your butt digged up your nose and put your hand all over the table? Jesus. Instead of buying those paperweight jewelry, buy your butt a lifetime supply of napkins, tissue, toilet paper. You should be used to toilet paper for all the bull crap coming out of your mouth. Man, you are just one disgusting individual, man. I have never seen somebody live in jeans, live in them. You sleep in them, wake up, go outside, play basketball in those jeans, go to work in those jeans, come back home, you take the jeans off, they still standing where you take them off at. They standing up by themselves now, man. Let them go. Two things you need to let go. Those disgusting jeans and digging up your nose, bro. Stop digging up your nose. It ain't no gold up there, bro. It ain't no gold. You ain't getting no gold in that nose. Jesus. Man. Man, oh man. What a pear-shaped loser.